Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super timely topic: how to transfer USDT from Dubai to India in 2025. If you're dealing with international crypto transfers, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and stress-free. First off, what's USDT? It's Tether, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, perfect for quick, low-volatility transactions. But before we dive in, remember that crypto regulations can change, especially by 2025, so always check the latest laws in both countries to avoid any hiccups. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Set up a secure wallet. You'll need a reliable crypto wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet on your phone or computer. Make sure it's compatible with USDT, which runs on networks like Ethereum or Tron for faster transfers. Next, in Step 2, choose a reputable exchange. In Dubai, platforms like Binance or BitOasis are popular, while in India, you might use WazirX or CoinDCX. Verify your accounts with proper KYC to comply with regulations. These could be stricter by 2025 due to global crypto standards. Step 3. Fund your wallet or exchange in Dubai with USDT. If you don't have it yet, buy it using your local currency through the exchange. Now, for the transfer itself in Step 4. Select USDT as the asset, enter the recipient's wallet address in India, and set the network to match, like ERC20 for Ethereum. Double-check everything to avoid fees or lost funds. Fees can vary, so look for the lowest ones, which might be around 1 to 5% depending on the network. Once the transfer is initiated, Step 5. Monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. It should take minutes to hours, but international transfers might face delays due to compliance checks. Finally, in India, the recipient should confirm receipt in their wallet. A few quick tips. Always use two-factor authentication for security. Be aware of taxes. India has specific crypto tax rules that could evolve by 2025, and consider alternatives like international wire services if crypto feels too risky. That's it for this guide. If you're new to crypto, hit that subscribe button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.